Hello everyone, hopefully you're having a wonderful day, and in today's tutorial we are going to talk about on how you could go ahead and add your TikTok link to your Facebook. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your TikTok application right here. And after opening up TikTok, just go ahead and click on the profile section, and once inside you want to go ahead and hold click your username just beside right here, just above your followers. So just go ahead and hold click that username, and once done you will go ahead and see that the username is copied. So let's just go ahead and scroll down, open up Facebook right here, go ahead and click on your profile icon once more, and after clicking that up you want to go ahead and click on edit, and once inside you want to go ahead and scroll down until you find the link section. Of course you want to go ahead and click on edit, and once here you want to go ahead and click add social link. Now after clicking the add social link, you want to go ahead and paste what you've copied here, and you want to go ahead and first choose what type of social link are you going to put inside here. So we're gonna go ahead and choose TikTok, and just go ahead and paste your username. And after pasting your username, of course you want to go ahead and click on save, and after clicking on save it will go ahead and save that link in your bio. So in that way you will be able to add your TikTok link into your Facebook bio. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.